Hey guys, this is Jon Orana from Negosyo University, and today sasagutin ko some of the questions from people who just recently heard about us or asking, ano nga ba tong Negosyo University? What exactly do you do? So first, sasagutin ko muna yung what we are not. Number one, we are not a network marketing company or a multi-level marketing that you have to pay a sort of a registration for you to start a business. We are not in a business that you have to recruit people, bother people, talk to your friends, talk to people who will be baka open-minded ba. Wala pong ganon. We are a training company. We teach people on how to become an entrepreneur. So that's the first thing. Another question is, Sir John, do you have like a reseller program that we can just resell your product and we make commissions? No, wala po rin kaming ganon. What we teach people really on how to become a real entrepreneur, meaning sarili po ninyong negosyo. So one of the things that we do is we provide online training, courses, program. Now we have seminars or even face-to-face workshop in Manila. A few times a year, I visit Manila just to do the workshop and tell them exactly how to take advantage of the internet, and most importantly, how to have yung tinatawag kong chilyonaro, how to become rather a chilyonaro, how to have this kind of life that you don't have to, to succeed in business, that you don't have to kill yourself, that you don't have to work 14 hours a day to make money. We would like to have a business where you have both time and money. Because I believe that if you have a business na ultimately successful nga, you make a lot of money, but wala ka namang oras sa family, your health, relationships, and all those things, I think you miss a point in life. And I believe na wala namang taong ipinanganak na nung ipinanganak siya, ang pangarap ko ay magkaroon lamang ng pera. The reason many people started a business, not just to make money, but what money can buy for them. Could be more security, more convenience, more luxuries and all. And we would like you, my friend, to experience such thing. Kaya po I wrote tong The Cautious Entrepreneur a couple of years ago. I wrote here and shared my story on how to transition from employee to become an entrepreneur. Dahil bilang isang empleyado, there are a lot of challenges if you would like to start a business. Because primarily, if you're an employee, parang ako po, I was a former employee, we went through the educational system which was primarily designed for you and I to become an employee. So if you will transition now to become an entrepreneur, magkakaroon talaga ng mga challenges. So again, that's what we do at Negosyo University. We are a training company. We teach people on how to become entrepreneur. We teach you on how to market, research, how to create your product. We teach you marketing, selling, persuasion. We teach you ultimately on how to use the technology and the internet like what you're doing right now. We teach you rather on how to use all this amazing technology that we have for you to start and grow your business. Because what happened po is, dahil ang bilis po ng pangyayari, if you think about it guys, more than 10 years ago or more than 15 years ago, we are not so used to with mobile devices and the internet and all the technology. Lalong-lalo na ngayon yung mobile devices, right? More than 15 years ago, maybe hindi ko alam kung mayroon ng technology, but we are definitely not into like compared to what we have right now. So ang bilis po ng mga pangyayari that a lot of entrepreneurs or a lot of aspiring entrepreneurs were not able to adapt. So meaning minsan yung mga marketing nila, mga sales strategy nila, yung mga makaluma pa rin, that ineffective and inefficient, right? Because as a small business owner, you know that you have limited time and you have limited resources. So you really have to maximize whatever you have, not to work hard, but to work smart. And that's what we teach sa Negosyo University. We teach you on how to use technology, how to use automation, and how to use outsourcing. Again, what is the ultimate goal for us having a business? We're to have more time and more money. So hindi lang more money, na wala ka namang oras para sa sarili mo. So again, that is Negosyo University, and I'm the founder of Negosyo University. My name is Jon Orana. I'm the author of The Cautious Entrepreneur. You may get a copy at negosyobook.com. But if you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave a comment below or send us a message or email us at john@negosyouniversity.com. Thank you for watching. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.